I will compare the new BMW iX XDAV60 with Volkswagen ID7 Pro S. BMW iX XDAV60 has a 109 kW total battery capacity. Volkswagen ID7 Pro S has a 91 kW total battery capacity. BMW iX XDAV60 range of around 701 km. Volkswagen ID7 Pro S range of around 709 km. BMW iX XDAV60 model offer a maximum power output of 544 horsepower. Volkswagen ID7 Pro S model offer a maximum power output of 286 horsepower. BMW iX XDAV60 acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 4.6 seconds. Volkswagen ID7 Pro S acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 6.6 seconds. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S top speed. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S torque. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S drivetrain. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S motor type. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S wheelbase. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S seats. BMW iX XDAV60 versus Volkswagen ID7 Pro S body type.